Empowerment Technology. Tatanungin ko naman kung ano yung unang naiisip nyo kapag narinig nyo yung salitang digital camera.
Okay, usually na sinasabi nila, and ako rin siguro, sasabihin ko, digital camera, from the word itself, camera, nagka-capture ng mga pictures, pero sa digital camera, meron din siyang iba-ibang pictures na pwede mo magamit na parang sa cellphone lang yung mga usually na normal camera sa mga cellphone. Like pictures na may timer, ganyan, merong makakapag-shots, multiple shots, gano'n. And yun lang yung base sa alaman ko, gano'n, sa camera.
Okay, thank you ma'am. If you have time po, try to visit our website, mcsdigitalcamera.wordpress.com.
Good morning. We are from Senior High School and we are conducting a social experiment in our subject Empowerment Technology. So, can I ask you, what comes to your mind when you hear the word digital camera?
Digital camera para sa akin, yun yung parang modernized na style ng camera wherein pag nag-capture ka ng mga moment or extraordinary moments, agad mo makikita. For example, nag-picture ka, nasa Boracay ka. Tapos hindi maganda yung pagkaka-picture mo, pwede mo siyang makita at pwede mo i-capture yung
For your information, try to visit our website, mccshs, digitalcamera.wordpress.com. Look at our website. Sir, we are a student from Senior High School and we are conducting a social experiment in our subject Empowerment Technologies. So can I ask you, what comes to your mind when you hear the word digital camera?
What comes in my mind when we talk about digital camera is that we use this equipment or this gadget to capture some important issues or events. And another, when we talk about science, there is a big similarity between the digital camera and the human eye. Because of the parts of the digital camera, there is a similarity with our eyes.
Thank you, sir. If you have time, try to visit our website. In mccshs.digitalcamera.wordpress.com. Good morning, ma'am. We are from Senior High School. We are conducting a social experiment in our subject Empowerment Technologies. So, can I ask you, what comes to your mind when you hear the word digital camera?
digital camera, para sa akin, it's used to capture memories or memorable situations or pwede rin siyang gamitin for documentation or important purposes. So, malaki din ang tulong niya when it comes kasi di ba yung mga memories, pag creators na yan, hindi mo magamit yan. But with the use of digital camera, at least, kahit glimpse lang, maaalala na.
Thank you. Next, try to look at your For more information, try to visit our website, mccshs.digitalcamera.wordpress.com. We are a student from Senior High School and we are conducting a social experiment in our subject Empowerment Technologies. So can I ask you, what comes to your mind when you hear the word digital camera?
When talk about digital cameras, it's the advanced technology regarding the camera wherein we could access easily and we could reproduce easily the copy of our pictures, and it's a very handy. So it's just it's simply advanced. Yung when we enlarge it, photos using digital cameras, we could do.
Okay, thank you, sir. For more information, try to visit our website if you have time. Sir, kung medyo gagawin ko sa website.